I all wear glass. I know they see. Now waiting artists they do. That's what's up. I carry 5 people come this show. Now them go start the laugh. If I all crack the joke, now them go fair laugh. Then be my hype man. Share. Come on, my glass, oh my brother. Oga Julius tell me say he won't confirm whether I funny because my London ticket they in hand. But I tell him say, bros, you no need confirm. People don't confirm. I be handicap. Person way in hand no good. You see the hole in ticket. I go hole in ticket. Just carry me go. Brethren, then say, no matter the good manners you get for this life, they need to use cutlery, chop slap. My brother, watch him online, he go understand. I'm a proud dear boy. And I'm also a courteous. No. I cut cloth in the east. Now tell her I be. Person wey cut cloth for east, who him be? Now I understand the joke. Before I take her serious, you come be say police people dey here now, they can't carry me for mind. No, don't do that to me, man. Shit. If I say, you know what I mean, you say, shit. You know what I mean? My shit is real, man. You know, I was born in the US. That's UST. Backgate. Y'all calm down. Don't be in a rush, man. That's the way them born for you, UST. If you commodity, no be. Na US now. Man, they rush me. Oh. My brother, I don't suffer. And on too don't suffer. So man, don't be like say, I won't call you, I can't tell her about my suffering. I'm here to tell you people about our suffering. We have all suffered. Man, and not let motivational speaker deceive you. Journey of 1,000 miles. Begin with your transport. My brother, home money now. Motivational speaker could deceive you. Could talk. Oh, I never understand how this word be. Life na packaging. See, this is my shorthand. If you are meeting me for the first time, I'm also meeting you for the first time. May not be like say, now you just meet me. Me say I meet you. I know the life problem. See, I don't tell all the comedians where they hear. Say, I don't care the joke why crack. If you say na your joke, you no concern me. Live band people they hear. They sing people's song. I will crack any joke. See, when you know the problem with musician, when musician sing your song, they'll call them cover. Me, na recover. You my brother, spray me money. Even if I know say a person give you to give me, my brother spray. Now my nigga be this now, no be waiting me that DJ waiting. DJ Surge, we go buy cloth 700, you 3,000 starch them. Starch, they cost bars in cloth. Now my nigga. Oh boy, Dave, know the video. Come pick money. Pick, help me. My hand no good. Brazilian say, he leg no good, he no fit dance. Me, I want throw shocky, my hand no good, I no fit throw. Hold on, money they come. Baba, spray me, help me. Now less privilege I be. Baba, they call me the most successful handicap because my hand know the few whole cap. Dave, pick money. Pick and help me. I say, I don't carry dollars. They come this place now. They have carry my money. Carry money. No. Bro Julius, leave him. I know it's on your table, please. God prepared a table before me in the presence of 500 naira note. I bet people will buy table. Man, I just help me. Man, I just bring my money. The money fell on plenty tables. Before I just do table now. I didn't see anything from the table. Dave, pick money quick. As they pick that money, please, I need to see your national ID card and your NIN to confirm, say you don't register. Brethren, see, this is my shorthand. Our town winch, we do them. They regret. No be so them bomb me. The winch then we short the hand. It depended. Because since when my two hand equal, nothing I achieve. But now, spray me, baby. I lost some 500 and shit. Throw it, baby. Help the less privileged, baby. Okay, Julius, I know say if you want give me money, no give me. Use and give Buchi. They go, Potato people, go spray me this money, come out. Oh, I think I'm gonna go clap for ourselves. See money. Baba na joke. Don't take whatever I say serious. After we do protest for NSAS, next protest supposed to do end bansas. Nobody beg past bansas. The bansas where they are now, they cram my face. Half of this money they go one collector. Bansas, man, help me. Man, no beg me. I'm a handicap. Most people beg. Somebody wear a hand no good. I go club. You know say I don't carry this my short hand. They walk out for room okoro. I they walk out like this. One beggar see me. He hand they like my hand, but no. And as I see him, I ask myself for my mind, Mommy will be twins? Because I won't call my mother. The difference between me and that guy, he own na left, my own na right. I see him na my twin. But I don't hide my own at the worker. Now the guy begin follow me. Senior, help me, my hand no good. Me, I ask myself, me, my hand good. Che, I need that for you. Your parents have made you. Spray me. This is not my parents' fault. If my parents they do well, I go to perform for you. Baba, wait! Hold on. My money they come. This one I upgrade 1K 9 come. I beg any shower won't carry this nine. Be me. I get money. I say bill me. Not be 1 rand. I'm a Christian. I come quick. I will not stress you. Bible say, behold, I come quickly. Wait, someday here. Oh boy. My landlady. My husband expire on the 31st. My landlady begin view my status from on the 15th. Now that time I know say my rent won't expire. Somebody video me, make my landlady see this thing. I hold her money. I go pay. I say, I carry my short hand. They walk out for room okoro. Beggar begin follow me. Senior boy, help me. My hand no good. Me, I can't ask myself, me, my hand good. This guy no feel recognizing colleague. I hide the hand for pocket. The guy they follow me. Boy. He said, boy, help me, my hand no good. He follow me. Now I bring out my hand for pocket. Now I show him. Boy, me too, my hand no good. help me to. Now the guy look me, son, bad market. He said, instead of you to shout Spry they call. Man, no say be my colleague. Meanwhile, me I don't know say my fellow handicap who don't get code. Keyboard is whole F for me. I'm at the I want Dave. No, stay there. I want to see person way home my money. I need to see him. God bless you, sir. I want to conclude with K.O. Baba, what you have on now? You know that if K.O. Baba performs small, he go do like this. I want to use my right hand do am, but you know reach. So I switch the mic to my left. For your fellow comedian to spray you, you try. Avasa, spray me money. David, pick money. 1% is yours. Let me conclude with this. Keyboardist, how many of you now? Bro Julius, you don't go church where a man sing special number before? Pa! That day now you gonna say Jesus they come. Next week Thursday, Jesus don't come. I say I enter church. A man, hold on first. One sing Ikwere song by an Ikwere artist. Mercy Chinwo. A man sing am, even Mercy no say na her song. Mercy asked for mercy. Oh yeah, on earth. So what do we hear? Somebody be in the mood to worship my Lord, you your Christ. Bring and dance for me, they hear me. He said this song want to sing now. It's from Mercy Chinwo. It's a song of title made you yours will make them naya. Mercy they near me, she don't know her song. What do we hear? You yours who make them naya, who worship you to reign. You your Christ who make them naya, who bow before your throne. I they look Mercy, she they look the guy. Mercy will hear, men may not understand how far you praise me. Men may not understand. Bless you, my sister. I love you too, baby. Yeah, with your bone straight hair and with my bone straight dreads. The next one, oh yeah, we'll shock all of us. You are called from the ringing to the end. There's no praise for who you men on. You are called by Azemo. My brother Ataya. The sweetest part. Hold on, keyboardist. Hold on, may they hear this part. When Akwa Ibom man can enter Igbo song with Akwa Ibom accent. What do we hear? Ukueme. Ukueme. Yes! You are the living Nkoro. Who say no one like you are? As he sing up, now he's solo. What do we have for the solo? Who you are? Mother Jong Jong. Who you care? Agani Merezong. You are the living Nkoro. Who say no one that you are? Hold on. At the end here now, at the end. Baba na me get, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the joke never end, but I don't go. My finance don't end. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Spry.